Yes, guys. Welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, this is the trading channel that actually simplifies everything. So what you want to learn today is how to identify legitimate support and resistance. So now there are some cases actually difficult to identify these zones, and from my previous tutorial you learned about how support and resistance can help you identify a short-term trade, so you can actually catch up with small amount of pips and you can actually get profit in a short amount of time, and then you exit the market, you wait for another entry. So as a trader, you must be able to understand one of the most widely used concepts in trading, which is support and resistance. So actually during my study, I was able to understand that volatility indices respect support and resistance, especially in higher time frame such as 4-hour time frame, daily and weekly. So basically, if you check at your trading chart, you will get that on a higher time frame you are able to actually get the support zones and the resistance zones much easier than when in, let me say, 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, because in 1 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame there's a lot of noise in the market and it can be very difficult to identify these zones. Yeah, so if you have any question, please you can leave it in the comment. Just subscribe. You can support me by subscribing, and also you can share this video to maybe a friend, your community. Yeah, I'll appreciate. So actually, what is this support? Support, this is it's the flow of the price for a support. So this is the flow of the price, and for a support to be valid, you must be able to track this point 3 to 5 times from the past data. So you can go, we are going to see the example, and then you can say resistance is the roof of the price, and for the resistance point to be a valid point, you must be able to track the point 3 to 5 times from the past data. So when a support zone is broken, it becomes a resistance, and the opposite is true for resistance point. So let's see, here is an example. So this is an example of support and resistance zone. So if you see here, it touches one area. So we know that support and resistance are the zones. So here is a zone all around this point here. It is a zone. This point is a zone like this. So it touches one. Even this one is a point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it touches this point. Also this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a valid support zone. This one is a valid support zone. It's a valid resistance zone. Are you seeing? Yeah, so we can continue. See here. Also this one is another example of a valid support zone and a valid resistance zone. So note that this behavior is very much common when trading volatility indices, especially after a very big move. So you're seeing here there was a very big move here. Also here another big move, another support is going to be formed here. So we have this, yeah. So we are very much interested in the zone, and you will understand why it's in the coming chapters. So also when you are placing the trade, one thing you should consider about the support and resistance zone is when the market is in a downtrend or when the market is in an uptrend, please make sure you place a buy after identifying your support and resistance. I'll repeat that. When the market is an uptrend and you have identified the support and your resistance zone, actually it's being accompanied with other things like candle behavior, market structure and other things, but for now we are focusing on support and resistance. Actually you will accompany it with other confluences in the market. So when the market is in an uptrend, please buy. When then it is in a downtrend, please sell, because the market will respect this support and resistance zone. So this is a cheat sheet of how you can identify the zones. This is a cheat sheet here. There is so many ways to identify support and resistance, but here I'm going to use the way I found it to be easy. So the first thing is go to the weekly and daily time frame. So we will follow these steps one by one. I'll go to my browser. So this is you can trade. I can take any. You can come here and select any product. Let me say, let me choose the one step index. Let me take one step index. Yes. So this thing is telling us that go to the weekly and daily time frame. So I'll go to my weekly first. Weekly time frame, or let me go to my daily time frame, which is here. So this is my daily time frame. As you can see, the market is in a downtrend. The market is a downtrend. You can see the market is a downtrend. So which means in every decision we'll make here, we will actually sell. So here we will identify the support and the resistance zone. So you can see the market comes around this zone, it's being rejected, like that. So which means there's a strong support here. So you will take your rectangular tool and you will mark this zone here. That is your support, and then this is your resistance. Yeah, you see the market comes, it's being rejected, there's a rejection. Yeah, so this is my support. Then this is my resistance. And then look for the current price and mark your last price roof on the top. So this is my current price. This is like that. Are you seeing? From roof and bottom. So this roof top, this roof bottom. So that one is done. Make sure you put your line on the candle close, or use the line chart as it is placed on the candle close. And then go to 4-hour and adjust accordingly as you zone. Make sure the zone was tapped at least 3 times. So we will go to our 4-hour time frame. We'll go to our 4-hour. go to our 4-hour time frame and identify this zone. So are you seeing this one here? This is a very minor one here. So make sure it touches more than 3. You see, is 1, this 2, this 3, then here another 4. Then also there's another one here. You see? Yeah. So basically this market is in a sell here, because always we found that it was in a downtrend. It has been rejected here. We are expecting this market to move. We are expecting the market to move in this direction here. Yeah. So you can mark zone up to 1 hour, but not these ones are more support and resistance zone. They are minor. So let's continue and see. So we can go to 1 hour time. 1 hour. Yeah, so here you can identify the minor support, and you can get any. Yeah, there's only this one here. Is under 1 hour. So actually you can accompany this one with trend lines, and yeah, you can actually use trend line to identify the market here. So like in this case here, it is in an uptrend. This thing here actually respected. Can see the candle movement. This one is bullish engulfing candle. There's this one here, it's called a bearish. Yeah, so this one will actually give you another confluence. So it's actually easy, this one here. It's actually easy. So if you identify this one, you know that the market was in a downtrend. There's a strong support here. I mean, there's a strong resistance here. It will be rejected and the market will move in this direction. So you can now look at the entry and say, well, you can place your stop loss up here. You can go to your entry, place your stop loss here, here at the recent high, and then your take profit can be up to down here. And with the volatility indices, they move. If they decide to move, they move as they want. So you will collect all the profit here, which is a guaranteed. Yes, yeah. Very easy and very easy to identify. So another thing, you can also, we have other things called dynamic resistance and support. With dynamic resistance and support, they always appear like this one here. So you see, you can draw them in channels. So it comes here, goes like that. So it's easy also to identify them with this one here. So you can come here and you take your channels, you draw them like that, to here, then you can extend it like that. Sure. Then another one. Let's let me cancel this one here and actually draw it again from this zone. Yeah, you see in the way it's going. So you seeing here it broke through the channel, so it gives another confidence that this market will actually be in a sell position. There's another one here. It's easy to identify them. You can actually draw another one here. This. Yeah, so you see the market, this one was a support. You can use this one here as a support. And then this one used as a resistance. This one support. Yeah, so you see the market moved from support to resistance to support to resistance, and then it came back and it broke through the zone and it went and sold. It's the same thing that will happen here. It went from support to resistance, support to resistance, and it broke, and the market will continue to flow. So this is how it always going. Yeah, you see, also it's the same thing with the downtrend. If you come here and you identify the zones too here like this, went and it broke through and it bought. You see, the market went, it broke through this zone here, from support to resistance, then to support, and then it broke and then it sold. So it's actually very easier thing to identify. Yeah, very easy. With the volatility indices, it's easier and easier and easy. The market is easy, very easy. So please make sure you like this video. Subscribe, just comment for like. Yeah, also you can follow me if you want this this cheat sheet. You can actually DM me on my Telegram channel or WhatsApp. I'll leave my contacts in the comments and I'll actually send you direct to your email. Yeah, so turn on that bell icon. And thank you very much, for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Please tell me what else to cover that is really making you very difficult not to gain all these profits in the market. Yeah, so bye and see you.